Discover the beautiful scenery of the Hungarian landscape. The Danube Bend tour is an excursion into Hungary's history along the blue Danube, with stops in Esztergom, Visegrád and Szentendre. First, we take you to Esztergom and cross the River Danube to Slovakia to enjoy a breathtaking view overlooking the basilica. Esztergom used to be the capital of Hungary, and it is still the centre of the Catholic Church. After visiting the interior of the largest cathedral of Hungary, we continue our tour to Visegrád. The town of Visegrád became the new royal seat of Hungary in the mid-13th century after the Mongol invasion. The top of the hill offers a fascinating panorama of the Danube Valley. Finally, we take you to Szentendre, a small baroque town built on medieval ruins. Szentendre is considered to be an artist's village due to the picturesque Mediterranean atmosphere, colourful houses, hidden alleyways and art galleries. From May to September, we return to Budapest by boat. The tour ends at the pier in the city centre.